Options trading can be a powerful tool for building wealth, but it's easy to make costly mistakes if you're not careful. In this video, we're covering the top 5 trading mistakes you need to avoid. Mistake number 1. Jumping into options without fully understanding the basics. Options trading isn't just buying and selling. It involves complex strategies that require a solid foundation. Make sure you know the difference between calls, puts, and how options pricing works before you start.
Classics, it's essential that you know the basics before you go off and experiment.
Mistake number 2. Ignoring risk management. Options are inherently risky, so it's crucial to manage your risk. Setting proper stop losses, don't over-leverage, and only risking a small percentage of your portfolio on any single trade. You can watch my previous video about risk management for more details.
Rule number 1, you don't risk your own money.
Mistake number 3. Overtrading. Multiple trades at once can be tempting, but it is easy to get sidetracked and lose money quickly. Instead, focus on quality trades that align with your strategy and avoid the urge to trade just for the sake of it.
Remember, people, I want quality, not quantity.
Mistake number 4. Not having a solid trading plan. Successful options trading requires a well-thought-out strategy, including entry and exit points. Without a plan, you're just gambling.
We should plan our next move.
And finally, mistake number 5. Letting emotions take control. Fear of loss, fear of being wrong, and fear of missing opportunity can cloud your judgment. Stick to your plan, stay disciplined, and don't let short-term emotions derail your long-term goals.
You cannot control your emotions. You cannot play.
Avoid these common mistakes, and you'll be well on your way to becoming a smarter, more successful options trader. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more trading tips.